Hello, today we will guide you through how to duplicate in Adobe Express. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly create a copy of any element in your design without breaking your flow. Start by opening Adobe Express. Launch it the way you normally do and give the workspace a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your project dashboard or the editor interface with the canvas in the center and tool options around it. If you're using a web browser, make sure the page has fully loaded so all the editing controls are available. Next, open a sample project or any project you want to work with. Click into it to bring up the main editor view. You should now see your design on the canvas, along with panels or menus that let you adjust text, images, shapes, and other elements. This is where duplicating becomes handy, whether you're repeating a button, creating multiple versions of a text block, or building a consistent pattern. Now click on the object you want to duplicate. A solid selection is important here. When the object is selected, you'll typically see a bounding box with handles around it. If you accidentally select the wrong item, click elsewhere to deselect and try again. If the element is part of a group, selecting it may highlight the entire group. Duplicating at this point will copy the whole group. That can be useful, but if you only want one part, make sure you've selected just that specific item on the canvas. Once your object is selected, look toward the top of the editor for the duplicate control. The top toolbar updates based on what you've selected, and the duplicate option appears when an element is active. It's usually labeled clearly and sits alongside other quick actions. If you don't immediately see it, confirm that the item is still selected and that the interface isn't zoomed in so far that options are hidden off screen. Click on Duplicate. A copy of your selected object will appear on the canvas, often slightly offset, so you can tell it apart from the original. From here, you can drag the new copy to position it exactly where you want. The duplicate will retain the same styling, size, and effects as the original, which helps maintain consistency across your design. If you're making several copies, click Duplicate again as needed. Consider organizing your elements by aligning them and, if available, checking your layers to keep everything tidy. That's it. Quick, precise duplication in Adobe Express.